So Clifford Moti, Pirates, they will make you feel like you were not what you were meant to be here.
Yeah.
Why? What happened? Just share maybe one accident, two accidents. You can't share everything.
Now I hear there's meetings about me now.
Hey, boy.
We don't play well when Clifford is playing. I'm like, huh?
My players.
Yeah. And even, you know, the sad thing I'm speaking about people who no longer. Even Zori told me. He told me he was very close to my wife. Like,
Unzori.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, very close. So he told me that this is happening, you know. They want you out. They want to put Opa and stuff. I'm like, okay, it's okay. He's a good player, but it shouldn't happen this way.
Yeah.
Because when I play, I could feel that I'm left alone in the midfield. I remember playing against Ajax in Newlands. We lost 3. Ajax killed us. I remember trying to mark. Jali stood. When I turn around, he's doing this. You know? So I was like, okay.
What?
I'm out now.
Walawida, niggas with tripping pass.
100%.
Yeah, the one and only. Aye, he's the only one. Abeko, noma bangazama.
It's
Ukraine. I'm now.
Nice.
As you confuse anyone with Isaac Chance.
I always got that.
So every time when they say, "Oh, Clifford Ngobeni," I always confused you.
Yeah, I always
so I
got
thought
that.
we striker.
Oh, yeah.
But that was mnandi.
Angimnandi
Yeah,
mfethu.
still. I just ngene lifting.
Yeah.
I think I was probably 6, 7, 8 while you guys were still playing. But
Yeah.
now, today, mabaqala bathi Clifford Ngobeni. It comes to my mind.
Still relevant, at least.
Pirates.
Sure.
Especially number 2K.
Yeah.
So in cover value from Pirates, all these big teams.
Yes.
Man sign Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, Zilla, Scala, Sinaz. Oh, there is a player so.
Yeah.
But other than that, this is Trap and Pass, and I welcome you.
All right, ngiyabonga Thami.
Kodwa Lamfere?
How's it, my
Omnandi?
Nando.
Man, welcome to Trap and Pass, man. Kunenzik thing.
Hey.
Clifford Ngobeni.
Yeah.
Unanga Kodwa?
I'm turning 38.
Oh, you're turning 38.
Yeah.
Lisavuka man.
Too much mfethu.
Should manje mabangakushange collab bathi uze ground in Pirates.
No, not Leo. My legends.
My legends.
Yeah.
Cause you've udlalile le game. You've been good Golden Arrows, Orlando Pirates, Ajax Cape Town, Amatags, Mpumalanga Black Aces. Khona enye ikhohlwayo?
No, that's it.
Or kanti?
No, being invited to Ajax Amsterdam.
Mi space say UEFA phela lesa.
Yeah.
So yazini before singena ku UEFA ne athi ngama Trappers indaba ezimnandi. So Trappers, you've called for the legend and we listen. Just like Lazy. Ithe kunibuyisela back ama flavors la wena frosta nayo. The Argentinian creamy pepper steak and of course the sour cream and onion. Just like our legends, the Lionel Messi and Lucas Radebe. Remember, no lace, no game. T's and C's apply. Khotbala njengoba sesibagayila ama flavor mnandi. Messi and Radebe. So ngifuna manje singene ku UEFA. The atmosphere. Karaz khiphana Khotman lam like how's the atmosphere? Stadium kenzakalani?
Okay, I know. Firstly, I would like to thank Giles for this opportunity to yakwazi ukuthatha ama fans.
Okay.
Ibayise bobukela. We thank them. Yeah, the atmosphere I think it's beyond, you know, it's very nice.
Okay.
It's very nice, and Nama was privileged enough. I've attended one of the games back then. Bogu Ajax ne Barcelona.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So it was very great. The atmosphere is great, and then it spirit ball.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, a lot of people from different cultures, backgrounds, countries. We join together and support one thing: football.
So people do travel actually to watch those UEFA games, ne?
They do travel.
So ngobe angithi uyabona ukuthi kule ntele isiphethe uMessi siphethe noRadebe. So what would you say umehluko khona ku environment angada ilo atmosphere angada compared to le ama game wangayi eMzansi mhlawumbe?
No, I would be very it would be very bad if I can compare.
Yeah.
Because that side, the stadiums are packed.
Okay.
This side, it's only a few games that you find. Our games are packed, are fully loaded, you know. But I think if I can pick up from South Africa, those games were packed. Yeah, the standard and the atmosphere is the same.
It's the same,
Yeah.
So speaking of the atmosphere and then you mentioned Barcelona. Your best lineup here UEFA Champions League.
Okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
All right.
So number one Akuban.
Stegen,
Stegen, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Left back.
Alba,
Right back.
Alves,
4 and 5.
Puyol, Marquez,
Okay. Mbizeni Uban Nobani.
Torre, Xavi,
Okay. Torre and Xavi. Right wing.
right wing Messi,
Okay. Left wing forward.
Thierry,
Okay. Behind striker.
Iniesta,
Then striker Saku.
give it to Eto.
Eto.
Yeah.
Samuel Eto.
Yes.
Okay. Then as we are back to Ekaslaga Lucas Khatebe, Mzansi, your all-time best 11. All time.
All time. For what?
All time.
All
La
time.
Mzansi. Abala Mzansi.
Okay.
Okay. Goalkeeper Akuban.
I'll give it to Monique Josephs.
Okay. Then your right back.
Right back, give it to Happy Jalen in his days while he was playing right back.
Okay. Happy Jele. Left back.
Left back, I'll give it to Brett Evans. Used to play for Ajax.
Okay. Evans. Then right centre back.
Right centre back, I'd give it to All John Mabizela.
OJ Mavize.
Yeah.
Then left centre back.
I'd give it to I'd give it to Sangwin.
Sebonga Sangwe.
Yeah.
Okay. Right wing forward.
Right wing forward, I'd give it to I'd sound biased, but yeah, Mkhanyisel Swal.
Bani?
Mkhanyisel Swal.
Okay. Mkanyisel Swal.
Yeah.
Then left wing forward.
Left wing, I'll give it to Domingos Pelembe.
Domingos Pelembe, I believe. Then la Mbizeni la kudlale nina.
Yeah.
So Mbizeni ubeka bani okade imali Mbizeni.
I'd give it to Hlompo
Hlompo Kekane.
Holding.
Okay, Bra Hlompo. Then uyikata nabo bani la phambili ubalance nabo bani.
I'd give it to at the moment Tebza.
Mrembo.
Mokwena.
Okay, and
I'd give it to Serrero.
mara mina nawe benyukufakile lapha lapha.
Yeah, well.
So when I was fagi.
No, they were better players than me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Tubala
Serrero.
Serrero.
Yeah.
Then who's your main striker?
Striker, I'd give it to Terra Timinkosi Fontaine.
Terra Timinkosi Fontaine.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's your best 11 lives and your best 11 UEFA Champions League.
True.
Okay, yazi nikhotman lam ama-trappers akulindile. Akukho okubhaya singakusho ngithi nje athi sibone ukuthi siphatheleni namhlanje.
Thank you.
Thank you khotman.
Sure.
Haile ngata fela ke ntshotsa fela ke ntshotsa magoa ibitsa fela shela ka mabitso ba re ke trap and pass ka sekgoa ba re it's trap and pass o tlhoka bafethu and Fridays are for trap and pass kanti ka namhlanje we jump straight into our guest because usiphathele sishisayo. On our today's guest, vandaag specie Clifford Ngobeni. This former midfielder was born June 1987 in Soweto, started his youth career playing for Ajax Cape Town's youth team and made it to the first team with Ajax Cape Town in 2005 with 91 appearances, 2 goals and 1 assist. In 2010, he went to Orlando Pirates to play for a year before his loan to Lamontville Golden Arrows in 2012 and returned to Orlando Pirates where he had 15 appearances and 1 assist. In 2013, he joined the Mpumalanga Black Aces with 10 appearances and no goals. In 2017, he signed with University of Pretoria in 2019 where he played 14 matches and has since ended his football career today. Clifford Ngobeni was a super talented but injury-prone midfielder who has been recorded being on trial with the Ajax Amsterdam in the past. Namhlanje he speaks on the hurt he experienced in his football career and what advice he'd give to professional footballers who might be facing the same thing in this day and age. USjugu Buyile with uSister Chato and Ubiba Asamben Trappers, and again thanks to our friend Elay.
Awuyebo sijukujuku wamawala wamavulavala wamawida wama-international mfana kacheko mfana today. Welcome to another exciting episode bafethu ye-Trap and Pass. Niyaza ngihambi ngwani ngihlale ngihamba nabangani bami bafethu Pithinja yami uBhibo. Bhibo mnandi. Tatos.
Hi.
All right.
I'm good. How are you?
Sharp my darling. Bafethu namhlanje.
Sharp.
Sharp my love. Esho uthwa kitshagile. Take it easy man. Wena wantso so le muntu esoka cheko.
I don't know. It's every day.
Usho so. Wamtseba buto.
Yes.
Umtsebela kai?
Ball. Udlala bhola. Ke rena dlala Pirates. I'm a Pirates fan, guys.
Umtseba ka ball.
Dlala Pirates. Ke.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ka ball fela.
Yes.
Clifford.
Sure.
Njayam.
Great.
Mnandi wena?
Mnandi,
Mnandi
sir.
njayam. Ngicela uzintroduce mfana kuma viewers usho ubani, qale kuphi kanjani?
My name is Clifford Ngobeni.
Okay.
I'm from Shawela, Soweto. That's where I grew up. Moved to Cape Town when I was 13 to join Ajax Cape Town. And then that's when my career started.
Clifford. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi you moved to Cape Town and what. Emfethu wena uclean.
Yeah,
Ngiyazama ngithi. Ngiyibona leyo ngithi kile ngiyambhubula.
Awuthole next.
Hey man, what am I telling
That's how one colour, no.
Sometimes you must like just
Ulayile.
give these other players they clean stuff.
Allow them to be clean. Exactly.
Thato batla ntse ba ona ntwe ntse banka Clifford.
Nothing. O botsa motho wrong here. Sonke re botsa wena. Ko wena expect must.
Clifford uyaza kuma ilo bond party.
No, ngiyazi nokuyazi ntwana. I've never been there.
Wow. Is it because of ushado usesemncane or
That's one of the reasons.
That's
why nje ushado usesemncane? Ngicela ukubuza.
whoa, Stu.
Akusithi awu but maybe I'm a trust issue or yini why ushado usesemncane?
Angithi mawuqala uthenga clean.
Yeah.
That should tell you.
Okay. But again, hayi ukuthi uclean ngoba uclean ukhumbula abangani bakho le kunale ehambisa abantwana besikole methana amantombazana and mawuclose nayo.
Sure.
Yeah. So how come leya yona ingekho clean wena ube clean? Anyeke uhambe nomfundisi ongalazi iBhayibheli.
No, angithi we are different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I hold my ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's a man.
I'm not saying Guti, I don't have
Side
stuff.
chicks.
Yes, I had, but it's
You
can
don't even know
count
about it.
people that
So nice,
you
very sharp.
it's people you wouldn't know.
It's a little deep too much. It's a little converging side chick.
What's our why?
Let's start it. Mara telling from the beginning, guys. This is like a building block.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
where were you born in Soweto?
Mama ngikethatha
Hey, like
imputse.
it. Wow, le Jacqueline man. Relax, breathe.
Why is you at Tower on the clean? Why?
No, my case.
Let me show. Let me tell you
Like
something.
you understand.
Ngitla go botsa something le. Clifford mfethu natsama bo di meet bo di. Ay para khopole ke.
Ubona anything. And that's good.
Ay ngithi ngiyaqinisa ngicabangela. Hey.
Actually learned. Ukuthi ngithole
Akajabula uthanda amaskendelo uSjugu obvious. Ujabula kanjani?
But what's why sometimes
Manje, Cham.
Serious?
Namanje.
Usathoile nanu. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Umqale thatha.
Childhood, yes.
Okay.
Where were you born?
I was born in Hammanskraal.
Okay.
Then we moved when I was still level to Shawela, and that's where I grew up.
Why did you move?
Parents, they had a house this side, so we had to move, go Shawela, and yeah, but we still have a home in Hammanskraal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hudula man go Hammanskraal.
My parents, they're back there now.
So now Kosoweto there's no one.
There's me now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the interest in soccer, how did you get introduced to that from a young age?
From a young age, okay, I come from a family of football. My dad played.
Okay.
He played for Chiefs, but because of alcohol, it didn't last long. My uncle played for Bushbucks,
Okay.
so I think it runs in the family, and yeah.
Did you want to play soccer?
Not really. Growing up, I played Kosarating and I didn't think I'd be a professional. But only circumstances made me to choose football, and we'll get to that point later.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what did you want to do if not sabatlo dlala ball?
I didn't have a dream yet.
What?
Still young.
You do what's relevant? I want to be a teacher. I want to be a policeman.
Bawafuna ukuba pilot nyana.
Not really, mfethu.
Bofuna bani? Nje.
Nothing
Phila
makes
nje
you
mfethu.
That's
Jo,
wild.
what la maponisa man.
Yo, maybe kaslambu unganagata, that's why.
Ne?
Yeah.
No inspiration, yeah.
So thatha ukubatla mutsa something. Did you ever think ukuthi one day uzodlala professional football njoba ungena dream?
No, I didn't think. Bengalfuni Paul.
Okay.
Why bongalfuni?
yazi ngibone ngihlane nezinye izinto growing up like the ex-footballers ezingangihlalanga kahle towards
Like what?
you know when you become a professional and you are well known,
Yeah.
you think you
All that.
yeah, you're mighty, you know. You treat people differently. So I didn't like that. Didn't sit well. And I was like, if I become a soccer player star, that's the life I'm gonna take as well. So I pulled back a bit. Make it like us, and that's it. Yeah.
But didn't you think, okay, because you've seen those ex-footballers, like mighty, acting all mighty and whatever, didn't you think you could like be a different soccer player, come and change the stigma? Maybe when you can come and be humble and just be a different role model to people that look up to you all.
I was scared of the unknown.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was scared of the unknown. So, but at the end, I became a soccer player.
And how did that happen?
Okay, I grew up under a roof of both parents and 3 sisters. I'm the 3rd one, the only boy. So, you know, ekasi, you need to man up very early and support your family. And my dad, did well. We did his part to grooming us, taking care of the family. But it was difficult for him as well, you know, as the only parent that was working. So Pirates came at that age, I refused. Chiefs came, Supersport came, I refused. Yeah.
Why?
I didn't enjoy it,
You enjoy it, I guess.
I didn't know anything beside.
But I mean, how do you choose to play Ekasi for nothing compared to Orlando Pirates for money and a status and...
Hey, I don't know, yes. I think God saved me then.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't think I would have made it. Because looking at the history of Orlando Pirates, it's only a few players who made it from the grassroots, you know, to be professionals. So I think I dodged the bullet.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get you.
Yeah.
So Clifford, okay. Nami ngimkhalele. So Clifford, yes, please mngani. Ngifuna ukumuza something people. So Clifford, since wena uthi ne abantu labami badlala idisk ibe banyaza ukuthi ungalithanda idisk baseshawela, but we have Jabulani Maluleka, we have Dintsolo Shabalala, we have Gerald Mudani, ngikhuluma ngabantu baseshawela. So are those people bona laba abakenza ukuthi nawo ungafuni ukufana nabo? Because I believe with bakudlalela ku PSL Qala and they became famous before when or nibe draw, I don't know.
No, umuntu odlala iqala umdabi.
Ukusho ukuthi uye uyenze ungafuni.
Umuntu udlala iqala.
Yeah.
I think it's Ujabu Maluleka.
Ujabu udlala iqala, but it's not much, you know, yeah.
Yeah, we can't count to Dintsolo Shabalala.
Dintsolo, I played first.
Yeah, because kanjani ku Black Leopard angithi.
So I wouldn't say Eshawele because I don't like naming, you know. But I need to, you know, when they parade these players with the bus, you see them, you go to the mall, you see them.
Okay.
It's not necessarily Eshawele, you know, but you know, abantu bangapha bathathela iDeep Soweto kanjani. Yeah, you know. So that's where I'm going.
So what changed your mind? Sorry.
What changed my mind?
In
Yes,
playing
what I'm
professionally.
Take care of my family.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're a family man.
Too much.
So why did you divorce? I mean, I don't understand. Like young hater out here. Like there's a out here, like you know, from day one, you've been like this.
God knows if it's why it happened, you know, but I don't regret anything. I got 2 beautiful kids from my marriage and I love them, you know, they love me. It's just, it didn't work out, no mama, you know.
Cliff, usuke clean Cliff.
Yeah.
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 I'm so lazy.
People know where we are.
Ngisathwile yazana.
Why?
Mana kuthini why?
Why is it rare?
You know,
look
let me
naughty,
tell you,
man.
no, I was scared of a lot of things.
You look naughty.
No, not in corner, but
Yes,
I hold it to myself.
No, but he's saying the fear scared him. Luna, let's have it next second. That's why.
Uteng mthwakile jwalelo ko fela man ke tshwara wa tshwara uteng. Uteng wait.
Ima.
Na man.
No.
Noni. She's your friend.
Ubani? And?
Noni.
Clifford wabambo. Yes, I'm right. I knew it. I knew it.
No, but what's wrong with dating someone? What's wrong with that?
Awuzazikhulumela.
Uzozikhulumela ngithi mina.
No. What's the other name?
NONHL.
Short.
No
Yeah.
Nhlanhla.
Nonhlanhla, yes.
Yeah, menjona. Ungeke uyiphike leyo njama.
How do you know that?
Ah, my guy is Chugu.
Hey.
How do you know that?
Chugu.
Yeah?
Amawala wala.
No, we're friends.
Come on.
No, we're good friends. We're good
Uthatha
friends.
10 hours ukungiphendula.
No, we're good friends.
Amazunoni.
We're good friends.
Umngani kaThathu. So when you were trying to hide who?
Ah, Kitsebe, like I don't know they were dating.
No, we're friends.
But I don't know. How would I know that?
friends.
amathatha ngwana mina ngwana ne
Apart from that, Kitsebe, guys, we don't.
Ayabuza.
How we
I-
I don't know that. I really don't.
Hey, but good question.
Sure.
Like ngibuza le question
Yeah.
ukuthi ukwashana like if awukazojola umuntu ungibuza kanjani ukuthi how do you know?
No.
Angifuna ukwazi na ukuthi how do you know? How can you not know if abantu abangani? But Clifford, come on.
No, I
I'm
need
so
to know you were
angry,
far.
Jam.
You were far.
Oh, I
Yeah,
was
maybe
far.
probably you thought Siajola.
Okay,
And we were
Clifford.
good friends.
Mamela,
Yeah.
uthi ukwajola nononi uthi kimi how do you know?
Okay, maybe you're wrong. You make it
Okay.
wrong. I take it back.
Oh, okay.
let's go back to football.
Yeah. I can you say, okay, whoa, you said you changed your mind.
talking
man.
about
You changed your mind
Yeah.
because of family situation.
Yes.
What happened? Because I mean, you saying you grew up with both parents, you saw your dad as
Yeah.
and all of that. But what is the situation that led you to saying, okay, I need to save my dad?
You know, ukulala edrawing room akho mnandi man. Yes. Akho mnandi. Yeah, and I think mina ekhaya nganikwa I think I became a parent very early, you know? So I took it upon me, it's, I have to do something with this. And spoke to my mom, and she said, you need to make a decision. And I told her I will never stay in Joburg though. I need to move away from that situation in Ekaya. I grew up far and then still visiting and going away. So I chose Ajax.
At what age was that?
They saw me when I was 12.
Okay.
They came the following year at my house, unexpected. They spoke to my mom. My dad was at work. And it was Kevin Johnson that time. He made a proposal and I liked it. And when I look at the history of Ajax Cape Town, I saw they have a lot of kids. So they know what they're doing, so I took it.
You're very smart.
Thank
Because I
you.
mean, I don't think as a 13-year-old you would think, "Reke should have background their team." You just get approached and you're like, "Let me just go," because it's a
But I
soccer,
think all, when
it's a
we were
big
young, we all
team.
wanted to go to Ajax because
Yeah, it was a top
all
team.
of us.
Is
most
it?
players,
Yeah, it was
we all
top.
wanted to because of to look after players, infrastructure. So Cliff, like I remember the team there at Ajax, under 17,
Yeah,
top talent. I think we played against you.
yeah.
But you already in the first team, or
Yeah.
and they called you. I remember playing
Yeah,
against you.
yeah,
looking at
Bale.
you, like this guy is playing for first team.
I'll get there.
I'm telling you.
Like I'll
I
get
remember playing
there.
against him, but like they called you to
Yeah,
help.
yeah, it's true.
Now I'm like this guy. They're like proper team. Tulani Serrano, Dylan Klassen. So, mfethu, sitshele ukuthi wa progress kanjani.
Fike kanjani Ajax?
Okay.
Yabo?
From Elukshin, I played for a team, Yesekaslam, yeah, teenage, and Mike Ntombela then was running a local league. He was a member of a local league, and he was very influential even now. So whenever I played against Mike's team, he had a team as well.
Yeah.
He would lie to my coach, the owner of the team, that I must go represent Soweto. They have a squad. So he can beat my team because I was very, I had to give him problems. So we became close like that, you know, and eventually there was a squad that was formed in Soweto. Then I represented it. Then I went to go represent district team, from then Southern District as well. So I can't remember the years because langbonile mawubhayisa unyaka but hey umdala, which is, it happens. You forget certain things. Or no, not a chance. Not a chance.
Wabonakala kanjani?
Kuthi ayikho umdala. Ngathi umdala. Yiko model yakho ne? Yiko model yakho. Phela ukhumbule ukuthi after yena yeki Perez.
Not like I would say like, but he was a player, one of the players that I like.
So that's why you chose inamba le meka iqoka.
No, I didn't even, like when I get to Pirates, I didn't even know Guti was a 26.
Okay.
But then that's when he was leaving Paris. That's when I got the number 6. And you were one of the players that played for national team early.
Yeah, very
Remember,
early, very
they called
early,
you up.
Yeah.
How old were you then?
I think.
Yeah, one hour.
No. I don't want to make a
uyabona.
mistake, angithi.
Ungayenzi futhi.
Kanjani,
Because last
kanjani,
time we had
kanjani,
uMofati Mdluli la.
Yeah.
Wasitshela ezinye izinto esingafuni ukuzizwa, ngingafuni ukukhuluma kakhulu. But Clifford sihloniphe.
If ngenza mistake,
How do you forget something so
Muna
special?
ngaki? Thi ngibuze ngesiZulu. Muna ngaki mudla
i-debut
national
yami
team?
I was 16. Listen,
Okay.
i-debut yami I was 16. And then that year I didn't play well. The following year I was 17. I think I got a call up when I was 18.
For Bafana Bafana.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, 18. 18.
Mfana kuqala udiscipline moswena. Mina ngi-understand mfana
Hey,
ukuthi.
ukusaba mfethu, yazi.
Serious?
Yeah.
Munefiye nyana ne?
Eish mfethu, you know, but kungincedile mfethu, you know.
Mawubheka Clifford through your career mfethu, you play discipline and what. Mosheke kuphi?
I think Mzansi, you know, when you're a nice person,
Okay.
they think you're a fool or something, you know.
Yeah, true.
They take granted, they take you, you know. I think, sorry to say, bad boys in South Africa, they make
They
it
make
far.
it, yeah.
They make it far. Uzibuzo wena ukuthi
Which team made you feel like that? Ukuthi,
yo, la ngihlele khona.
eh?
La ngihlele khona. No,
So-
you know, Pirates,
Yeah.
made me feel
Yeah.
that, you know, no matter your discipline, your humbleness, if you're not meant to be there, you're not meant to be there.
You were competing with them.
Competition. I was playing. It was me and Jali. Chancer was playing ahead,
Yeah.
like a sort of a 10 advance.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was me and Jali. And came Upa. Then that's when things started to be,
Shaky for you.
yeah. But I don't want to go deep to that because that chapter, I closed it.
So Clifford Moti, Pirates, they will make you feel like you were not what you were meant to be here.
Yeah.
Why? What happened? Just share maybe one accident, two accidents. You can't share everything.
Incidents.
Incident.
Oh, it's a slip of a tongue, guys. I'm
It's
sorry.
okay, it's okay, my baby.
Thank you.
Got you.
Aye.
You know, as a footballer, it's fine to be sidelined. But when you get an opportunity again, you get a man of the match performance, you even awarded, and the next game you don't play, you ask yourself,
Yeah, that also happened to me. I know.
do you understand
how
what I'm
painful it
saying?
is.
So, and I mean, where I come
painful.
from, we believe in merits. You do well, you play.
Yeah.
So I came to Paris, things were totally different and a different culture. Yeah, every home has its own rules. I don't, you know, but it's those things. You sideline, you come back, you play 2 games, you are out for no reason, you know.
I won't let you show you. I know it. It's painful. It once happened to me. I remember I played, I think maybe 4 games, and I got man of the matches 3 games in a row. So on the 4th game, 4 games, ne? Man of the match on 3. Then I played well on the other one, and then I was out, and they put Charlie, and then like it was so painful. Then like, so but then as a player in Myanmar, like in South Africa, we have this thing out. If you go and confront the coach, so you keep quiet. And it's now, but like sometimes the team is talented because now you are out and then they play, they win.
But Bounce said, do they tell you why they
They
took
don't
you?
tell you because you don't even ask. It's one of the things that made me already sometimes like, oh, even if you can work hard and do whatever, but there's this thing here, the favors in teams. It's still happening even now.
Why don't you ask?
Huh?
Why don't you ask?
That's why I said to you, like sometimes if you are both
Awusadlala.
or whatever.
Also, you're jeopardizing more time.
Yes,
Okay.
that's why whether like when incident danger like if you feel good, yeah,
Okay, among fellow Pirates, I don't think I wasn't liked by the most.
what do you mean?
Why?
Remember, I came from Cape Town. I was hot. I was hot, my man. You know. So I shook a lot of people when I came. You know.
Yeah.
And you know when they bought you and you're hot.
Yeah.
They in a haze they're calculating 3 figures, maybe 5. You know. So what they assume now it made them have hatred on me. You know. Because even the first training session, now a lot
mean
of
the
people,
players?
Oh, the players.
players. And I chose one guy to chill with, Mabalan. He was my best friend at Pirates.
Yeah.
We made sure we both make the 18. We share a room together, and you know it really helped me because. Okay, let me leave that. But coming back to the playing side, I could sense, you know, the players they have a problem. They used to call me Mr. English. you know.
Because you're smart and very
Intellect,
Yes,
you know?
So
Mr. English, and you know, after training session, I go home to my wife, you know, then. So I didn't have time for them. I think they wanted to chill with me. Maybe I should have offered myself to them, you know, that awanyana, maybe show them that I don't drink. I never used to drink then. So
Then?
yeah, then. And I'm retired now. I'm shy. So yeah.
Maphuzi?
Bengaphuzi.
Meet Mouza nje.
Bengaphuzi, Bram.
Sazi.
Hayi.
Mawuzela nje inyama.
Diploma nje kubona ama-yellow balls wakho.
Okay. Ungaqhubeka.
So
Yeah.
yeah, it became serious. It became serious, and fortunately enough, I was close with Teko. I knew him from Ngisasentwana. I played for Deep Blue Coventry. So he told me the culture, a team, good team. You must be careful, like team in Gusona. So you know, if you're this person, be that person. Don't buy face. Carried on and started the season, and you know, I don't know if I should mention this, but I will. The late Ntati Scream, he gave me a call before I signed.
Yeah.
I didn't know who's Screamer, to be honest. So he called me. He's like, "Hey, Preston here." I'm like, "Who?" "Hey, Preston." You know, I had to act like I
Like
know,
you do, yeah.
so he can finalize.
Converse,
Yeah, you know. So yeah, Preston from Pirates. I'm like, "Oh, sure, Preston." It's like, "Okay, you know Pirates want you." I'm like, "Yeah, I know." It's like, "Okay, when can we meet?" I think that was my mistake.
What?
I said, Pirates, yes, want me. I have an agent. I'm still contracted to IX.
Yeah.
Communicate with them, yeah.
Them, not me.
Oh.
I'm going on holiday with my family. So I think...
You burnt a bridge.
Yeah, I bent it a bit there. So when I came, the first training session, we didn't click. Yeah, so from there I knew I'm going to have a problem, because I spoke to him, but we never spoke like this ever since I was at Pirates.
Sazi.
Yeah. So, okay, I left it. Carry on. Now I hear there's meetings about me now.
Hey, boy.
We don't play well when Clifford is playing. I'm like, huh?
My players.
Yeah. And even, you know, the sad thing I'm speaking about people who no longer. Even Zori told me. He told me he was very close to my wife then.
Unzori.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, very close. So he told me that this is happening, you know. They want you out. They want to put Opa and stuff. I'm like, okay, it's okay. He's a good player, but it shouldn't happen this way.
Yeah.
Because when I play, I could feel that I'm left alone in the midfield. I remember playing against Ajax in Newlands. We lost 3. Ajax killed us. I remember trying to mark. Jali stood. When I turn around, he's doing this. You know? So I was like, okay,
What?
I'm out now. Because when you do this to your partner, you're saying he's loose. He's not close to you, you know? But I'm like, okay, maybe I know his personality. Maybe he's complaining about something else. I didn't take it upon me. But for the fact that he didn't support me, and that was my last game for Pirates, and I heard those stories that they're trying to sideline me. And that happened. Then I add everything together. I'm like,
Makes sense.
oh well.
Don't you think maybe you gave up early? Like,
Gave up?
Fight, like, you know? Because there was one thing I know about footballers. When you get into the team, like maybe Wafik, like good team, they will give you that, okay, no, this one will never play. But if you show them, if you fight, and now they start to now to bring you now. The squad. I know, but Tadabanja I'm a player. So when Kabanga maybe you gave up, or maybe you just like, you know what?
No, I didn't give up. I came to
You
training.
kept fighting.
Yeah, I came to training.
Yeah.
Waited for my opportunity. Like I got play one game, man of the match.
Okay.
That's when those things started to happen. It's like I was a fringe player now. But I asked the coach, like, there's no way I get man of the match and I'm out next day. Give me 3 games, 4 games. Then if I don't do well, then I raise my hand. Someone must play, you know. But it didn't happen that way. And the coach, Kroll, left. And the Brazilian came. He told me straight to say, my man, They said
the
I
coach-
mustn't play you.
coach-
Lial. He told me.
ubani usho
They
kanjalo
said I mustn't play you.
angeke athi they said I mustn't play you
No, he was protecting his job.
Abantu bakhe,
Okay,
I mustn't play you. You are doing well. In training, you're always on time. You stay behind. You train, but you won't play. I'm like, okay, and asked him, should I go to the management and ask for a loan? It's like, try that because you'll play wherever you go. I think my other mistake,
Yeah.
I went to request, can I go on loan? But you always Satan.
Bangisa kuphi?
Hard head.
Golden Arrows. Then I went to Darren. I went to him and we finalized the loan deal. I went to Arrows and Mushin was there. So, but it didn't work out well as well that side because the team itself was struggling, but it had quality names. Boma Sheikho, Mbesuma, Siabonga Nkosi, you know, but I think even the bill was too much for the team, you know. So that team had to be
Man.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukubuza question and ube honest. Do you think wena Montswe ukudlula uCharlie? Be honest.
Okay. We're different players.
Okay.
You know, we are different players.
Mara style senu kancane.
He became mature later, Charlie.
Okay.
Using his brain. I used my brain at the early age.
Okay.
He was a robust player at this peak, at this young age. Robust, run harding, you know. But now, towards the end of his career, he was clever.
Okay.
So I wouldn't compare myself. Because we play together and we understand each other and we do well. It's not like one must play and one must sit out. I wonder if Bogunjalo, then I would say, yeah, we have to compare. We are different players.
So yini eyenza combination kaCharlie no upa manje sisebenze eyakhona engasebenzi?
I mean, I think Nglelumo.
Kinjani?
I was actually about to ask Kore. Tandani o mentioned like Kore. He also had a problem with him. I thulela zanga botse next. His downfall was him going to ask. Is that a problem in the football fraternity?
More especially in South Africa.
How well?
In South
Maybe
Africa,
Wapap.
I think in Europe they do that. Like
Yeah,
do
they
that.
confront the management.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even at Supersport we had. At Supersport we had colored guys. Those ones they would even swear at the coach. Look, like those ones they don't care.
Yeah.
If it's wrong, it's wrong. So, but like nothing. I want to sasa.
But also it has to do
Sasa.
with our supporters, you know. Because now I'm always ekas, you know. I speak to a lot of people. They ask, why are you not playing? You know, I'm like, at my age. And I tell them, you guys, you're downfall. You're killing these players. Yes, you complain, you say names, you call them names when they're not doing well or they're struggling. But do you understand what they're going through, these players? You know, why don't you guys boycott stadium and see what's going to happen? You understand? Europe, they do that.
different approach,
You understand what I'm saying? Because a team, it's a business. If there's no sales, they'll take players serious. Imagine in a PSL, a player earning 10,000. Come on. And when he retires, now people are bashing him. Hey, imali kuphi? Manje kumele udle 1 rand. Ubeke yonke imali le. There's no way. There's no way.
Then Cliff, yeah, like that combination, Opa and Charlie.
Yeah.
No, that combination.
It worked.
That combination.
It worked.
It gave
But-
me
but-
stress.
but-
like I don't know, ne?
But
don't know how am I gonna play. I look at them like, how am I gonna play here? Then when you're not playing, then they win. When when you left, and then they win trophies back to back. So don't you ask yourself, what am I doing?
No. I never felt any pain. You know, like I said at the beginning, maybe I was not supposed to be there. Let me tell you the honest truth. Me going to Pirates was default. And I keep on saying this, but people, they always attack me. Hey, you were not good enough. No. That's the honest truth. This was between Ajax and Pirates, a deal that Ajax couldn't refuse. But me, I didn't want to go.
But the end well, you were happy with the money.
No, money is fine. It changed my life. But me, join Pirates, bengafuni.
Do you regret?
Bengiya ku Celtics, mina, bro. At that time.
Why won't I
From that,
why?
Ajax,
peak.
yes. Okay, from that peak,
From that peak.
let me show you something. Mina me think. In that peak, I joined Celtics with that support. What's going to happen with me? Leave the money.
You do what?
From that peak at Ajax,
Yeah.
join Celtics with that crowd
Yeah.
in Bloemfontein. Who's the man?
Or come into Pirates and compete and win trophies and win the league.
I didn't know.
Bloemfontein Celtics-
Truth, when I joined Pirates, they didn't win anything in a while.
Yes. Okay.
I didn't know we were going to win.
Okay. To Mbuza something.
Yeah.
Eh? So we all know this big, like the big, the three teams,
Yeah.
right? If you like those ones, they have quality players and what.
Yeah.
For you, Upuma Goleya, all your Celtics, then like me, I don't want to win the league because you know you'll never win the league. I'm not saying you will never, but like it's gonna take time to win the league. It's
Do you
always
know
super sport
Celtics?
that. Yeah. But you play for supporters and not win trophies.
You know what? That team may short us. I need Namia's place and it's okay.
Okay.
Should be shorter.
Yeah.
Now.
Exactly.
We are told. Maybe if
okay.
I join them,
Yes.
there'll be
bengifuna
it's not
ukudlala-
winning a trophy or something.
Bengitshela ukuthi wena ufuna ukudlala
No, not the crowd.
umsindo onganathi ucabanga una 301 awuna league awuna maybe ngenze example
Yeah.
But also, can I ask, don't you think competition was not that much go Bloom compared to Pirates? Like maybe how fit like Bloom, but like game time, and then how fit like Pirates is still gonna fight to get game time. Does that contribute?
But Clifford not have a competition. I think that's how go. Say, oh, what like a pirate to go still cheap guys doesn't make
No,
sense.
remember.
Oh, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
We should talk a little bit.
I understand like we think about them
When I was a child, what did I run away from? From childhood,
Yeah.
why did I run away from?
Football.
This big two. Not big. Hey, back then,
Wait,
I
let him
don't
speak.
know.
I
But let him speak.
I don't know pressure.
No, Stugu Cliff, no. Cliff,
But listen,
Cliff, no.
Tandani uCliff wena.
No,
uCliff
no.
wena. Are you clear?
Every player
Let him
badlala teams in
speak.
Pirates.
But let him speak. It's his piece.
okay, let me tell you, bro.
Ngitshela ngenye indlela ngikhombise.
Okay,
Yeah,
bangafuni ujoin Pirates.
Okay.
Yazi why?
Why?
Mangeko under 20, under 23. Cheese boy, they are crying. So mina ngiye ngiyokhala futhi lapha. Cheese boy tell me he wasn't working hard enough. Yangithola?
Exactly.
Andade ayikeneluza.
Hayi yangithola.
Ayakuzwa
Hayi
mngani.
pressure ngisaba competition. And iPirates then, a lot of us, it was our first season. Abo Charlie what you understand yangithola. It wasn't ukuthi they are dominant because they've been there 3 years, 4 years, no. Bukudlala bo Benson, you know, come on, he's old. Must I be scared to compete? No, bani konje umdluli.
Yeah.
Yangithola Bram. It's what we spoke about the campaign when you go to national team.
Okay.
Yangithola so ngabona kahle ngithi la noma ngabo bani mfethu. Ngisho sorry to mention even Notike had problems, a top player in our country. He was sidelined. I got there, I was shocked to see him out. I train ngale. Mina ngitrainer with the main team. Ngiqhaqhaza.
So we are regret ukuze kuPirates.
Angregret. I need to, we are speaking. Angregret, they've done well, they've changed my life. Okay. You know, there's things that I've won with Pirates.
What?
Treble. And I am grateful, even today. But the fact remains, I didn't want to join Pirates.
Guys, this is the whole purpose of yin and yang. You must sometimes listen to someone to understand them. Because they don't pay attention because when you wouldn't do that. Just listen to understand.
Okay, that's all.
So do you regret when I like we are regret? I'm like not to hate him fana.
No, angregret. I need to call me story.
Eh. Man hate the Pirates.
I ingethile mara ngabhodla ngaba right. Because I think at some point I went to court with Pirates and Arrows. There was a default of my 3 year, you know, and I ended up not winning it. I got tired going to court, appearing, my pocket, it's getting...
Kwenzakale yini contract bathini? Why what happened kahle kahle?
No, remember I requested for loan. We go any team of my choice, but Arrows was there. Kanti ngiyaztrapha nami. Yabo?
Kanjani loan?
Yeah.
You want to go play? You want to go play football? Because you're not a-
Yeah, ngidlalile ngifika ngadlala bro. I was there for iloni yami woke 18 months. If I remember correctly. Ngoba yimi bengikhulumela. So I stayed the first 6 months. We played waba off season. Came back to Joburg. How? I don't receive a message to say we reported this day and day. Man, there's something wrong. Yes, mina ngiyafila, I don't wanna lie. When something is about to happen wrong, I feel it. So ngithayi la something shaman's. Ngoba ni salary bengithola so uyayithola so
Ku Eros.
yeah ingena portion lena ungena enye yabo so ngithi no ithi ngingabafoneli ithi drive drove back to Durban mangifika ku apartment yami the locks are changed uyangithola likely I had a friend Stanton Lewis he plays for them then so ngamfona yathi my man listen I have an issue I haven't received any correspondence from the team. What's happening? When are you guys training? What's kusasa? Imagine if I didn't drive. But in breach of contract and then termination. Hey, well,
So you wanted to do it?
I think so.
They were sabotaging you.
I think so. So, man fair training. Yeah, train. I'm busy reciting it. No, I'm cool. We don't. You must go back to Pirates. We can't afford you anymore. You know. That's a good shot. Since I was on loan, I never finished the 18 months. It's in Buelo Pirates. Pirates ivula nini? Following day. Ngise Durban. Ngithi if nalapha ngireport ngizobe
Same
nkingeni.
day.
Shy moto. Joburg. Sasa ngiya report. Told kit ngiyangena. Aw manager yangibiza. Hey my man, what are you doing here? I'm reporting. I said I must come back. No. Go to the office. That was the beginning of horror. Horror.
So Clifford, ngathi wena uhambanga kahle ku Ajax. Wow ungabuyelanga ku Ajax because in fact mebakuthanda abantu lapha ba ku Ajax and we star player.
Yeah, but
Uhambe
remember,
ngendlela sharp. Ngathi uhambanga ngendlela sharp.
growth is important, Stu. And mobuyela le you closing someone's space, a youngster and stuff. Move, let go. Go
You wanted
somewhere
a new
else.
challenge.
Yeah. And they wouldn't afford me. It means I must cut a lot of things.
Mawuthola malini
Buphi?
ku Pirates.
Yo angazi ngisakhumbula.
Clifford wena uyayithinka mfethu asimbeleni. Uyayithinka.
Medulla oblongata.
Uyayithinka mawuthola malini. Okay asiqale kanti usuke ku Ajax mawuthola malini kwa Ajax.
Yo.
Muzohamba.
You know Ajax ne? Salary yami ikhupha every month, bro. Yeah.
So
every
the
month.
last salary yakho
Last I
njengobuya
think I was
Pirates.
sitting go Ajax into dala engizoyikhuluma.
Isho. Ufuze na ku Pirates.
Ngeke ngiba.
Why Clifford?
No, I was sitting on 35 when I left. As 2000 and
How, yo, 35 bags?
yeah,
How old were you?
I was 19.
Yo.
Yeah. 35 eh. Mara ngithi yakhuphuka.
Ku Pirates mawufika wathola ngaka. Okay plus minus ke.
Pirates ngathi ngathola 32.
32 tower from 35.
Yeah.
Clifford wena ngiyasiza. Clifford.
Serious, bro. No, I don't remember.
Cabanga 32,000 eyisana namakhodi. Ungayisa abantu ngamakhodi ngama-32,000.
Kanti ukubadla ubutsa wena question.
Uza, ithatshele wayesekhodi
For 32,000.
Ungalole 32,000 ngithi ukhuluma
Ekubeni uphuma u-35 uhamba amakhodi for 32,000 Clifford mohola
isikhathi sekhodi.
Bebanginceda. Mara serious, i-court yayi.
Udlala kama-resources wekhaya.
mohola malini Pirates.
Angisakhumbuli, bro, I'm serious.
Phazi mubheka. Angeke akwata ujali akasangani.
Mara no, serious. Serious angisakhumbuli.
Angeke akwatela ujali mubheka ngaki. Clifford
Uba
usho ukuthi
ukuthi
ifoni yakho mingakhali. Hayi.
Angisakhumbuli, to be honest. I don't
Bu
remember.
Arosi
Buki salary ye-Pirates.
malini
I
Clifford.
don't remember. Ngizochecka mfethu. Sasenayo la.
Hey, all right, Cliff again.
But-
So Cliff, ngiyakuzwa Cliff. So manje
Simkhalele ne. Okay
ngiyakuzwa
mthatha.
Cliff. So manje Cliff wena ke. So idani ngale case yakho wathi wayeka ne. So wenzani after lapho? Where was you move after that?
No, my move was to find a team after that. Because I said, okay, it's fine.
Kwenza
Let them take
contract.
my 3 years.
Okay.
I won't
Nemali
even
yakhona.
mention the figures. It's okay.
Yeah, 32 layer.
Yeah. And then try to find a team. Blocked.
Blocked what?
Blocked.
Yini blocked?
Opportunities.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Damn.
Sure.
Jwang.
Damn.
Kanjani blocked? Angithi uyakule team
Unangaki
ufuna
lapho?
isibani yini blockile?
Mona ngaki.
Age. Man, into 2016.
What's blocked? Ngifuna ukuzwa blocked.
No, you know, was Pulukwan? Yeah, Pulukwan City approached me. I said, Nale owner, Johnny. He offered me a blank contract, that guy. Put your figures, ngafaka. Nandicedile. What happened ka case yawo? No, it's ala. Karao, it's past. Are okay. Getla khutla ko wena. He never came back.
Yebani.
And that guy told me, don't entertain any club. And iwindi yavala kusasa bro. Hey, ngazo ngathi ngiyavutha la. Ngithi you this guy. Himfonele, he doesn't answer my calls. Send him a message, Joe. At least ngitshele ukuthi you change your mind. You know, angamiye ngahlala isizini ngadlali. Ngahlala.
Imedi khona lapho.
Yeah.
Ibaleka nini imedi? Maka.
No.
Ibaleka nini?
What's why? Ngata ditaba tse dingata o lona la fakaza.
Re tlantse re tla ka
No, but you guys are
No, my
jumping into-
separation was before I even left Pirates.
We must even talk about how you guys met, how you got married before
Una
separation.
lentulele man ngifuna ukuthi yini blog ubani ublogile?
Opportunities.
No, I couldn't get a team because of my case.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know angazi ukuba no blocky but
Mara ublokile, wena just know it was blocked.
and after that ACC invited me. I've trained, they were interested. The same story.
Usola bani wena?
Hayi ngazi ngisole bani. Ngizosola bani? Oh, ngizosola bani? Ngisola bona ngoba maybe abangifuni laba bathi bangisayina. ACC yahlala nami athi we want you. We'll fix this, don't worry. Bahamba angazi bakhuluma nobani.
Bakhuluma no blocked.
Yeah, no blocked. Bakhuluma naye later I told him called. Aye, you are clear. After 2 years, you are cleared to play now.
What?
Yeah,
After 2 years of not playing,
Yeah.
of not having a team.
not having a team.
In that 2
And
years
after a
of
case, naling trainee. I'm told.
Hello.
Yeah, so
What are you doing in that 2 years?
chilling, training.
That's all
But trust me, I was depressed. You know,
Yeah, that's what
I
I
was
was
not in a good space.
Yeah.
You know, and even my family, they were worried.
I wanted to ask about that. Like, okay, before City, you were not working for that 2 years. When did you meet your wife? At what age? Because you said you got married young.
Okay, my wife, I met her when I was 19.
Okay.
Yeah, 19.
And then Nashata nini?
When I was 20.
Unama trust issue wena.
Problem. Yazi mina mfethu.
Unama trust issue. Libe niqedanga nonyaka nazana. What if inhlangane January? Now what if inhlangane maybe September or mshata next year February?
Chu, ngikufundisa something, bro.
Ngifundisa.
Fundisa
You
something.
think
Mama
ngifundisa?
uthanda umuntu uyamthanda, bro. Regardless what. You know, mina in my mind I had a plan.
Think to
Ngifuna nengosi before ngiba na 20. Mina ejita ngayithola. Obviously ngeke ngithola ingosi ngashada. Yangithola. So ngampractice umntana abantu. Ngathi no, I have to do the right thing. Ngamshada.
Umthola yaphi yena lo?
Hayi, chu.
Ungadlulanga kimi.
Mara wayesingatho kathi singafana nawe mfethu. Ilife yakho uyiplanile mpinjini?
Yeah, it's unfortunate
Okay.
if it, you know.
Ayenzakala kumajitapa yazi ngihlanga nawo. Ayinto engichazele ngayo le mfethu
Yeah.
after
Yeah.
Ubuyiplan life yakho mfethu.
Yeah, but it happens in fact life injalo.
So
You have to plan.
ucabanga uplana nokuphekisa.
Yeah, bengifuna ingosi
And different,
mfethu.
mfethu.
Yangithola.
Nokushada washada. White wedding.
Traditional like white wedding.
Hlangana na 19 umshada na 20.
Yeah, yena ubeyamdala kimi.
Ukuhlakaniphele yo.
No, angawanye bro.
Masti.
Yawanye.
Angithi ngesilungu bathi a lady is 5 years older than a guy.
Mara since ukhuluma kanje you believe ukuthi sina 1 year.
Nenzani?
Ngimazi ngamshada. Hesijuku wena ukhola easy mara mfethu.
Tipo sofuna ukuyitshentsha.
Hayi.
Thanda wena uthini?
Ngakunika ne history bro. Angeke.
What do you
bro.
think, wena?
Ngeke.
It's,
For a thinker.
I would believe it because I mean, like you said,
Yeah.
see, when you love someone and when you know, you know. I
No,
mean,
ma-
you don't have to wait
Not
6
changes.
years.
It's not a year. It's not a year.
It's a-
Mazi 3 years. Ngamshada.
Oh, but
Yes.
that is an example.
And
of
she moved to
gullible.
Cape Town. She was
Don't you think mekakhathela ma-TT Travel and Tourism uya ku-Erosi uyamsusa umlethe eJoburg
no
uyamsusa umlethe
umfazi angithi
eMapulukwane.
ngathenga indlu ngathi umfazi uzohlala endlini mina ngizodlala ibhola ngitravele mangikhathele ngiyabuya endlini simple
But that wasn't
wamele
that
hambe nami
strenuous.
Eh?
Wasn't that strenuous to
For-
marriage? Ukuthi you're like
yeah
doing-
yeah it was because she didn't understand iplan yami because imagine Limpopo ngihamba naye ngiya Free State ngihamba naye why esebenza kanjalo
So yena mekahlala endlini angafundi ispani.
abe yaspan
Okay.
yaspan afunda
So Clifford, are you satisfied ngecareer yakho ebhola?
I'm happy mina jo
You
I'm happy,
satisfied?
happy. Yeah, ibhola ngifikise lapha bengeke ngifike mfethu. Yo,
Yakchange.
hey, nginencosi nasa eGermany intwana.
What?
Man Clifford.
Yeah.
Ufike nini
Wena
eJoburg?
wena usikwiki clean kanjani wena?
Listen. Angithi I was traveling. Nemedi beyazi. She's 14 now.
What?
Yeah.
You're not joking this time?
No, I'm serious.
So uyoyibona nikhuluma ngama video call.
Video call. She came past December, past Christmas, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Germany.
Yeah.
Njani?
Her name is Zuri.
How did that happen? When did you get to Germany?
Yo, being travel, I mean, while I was at Ajax, I used to go to Netherlands maybe 2-3 times a year. And remember, being she is Satatu.
Yeah.
I even represented, what's in Mandela's game. What's in?
Mandela's game.
People.
Mandela.
The Mandela Cup. The Mandela Cup.
No. Goal for Africa. It was
A global thing.
It's very global. Every player was there. Yeah.
You were there.
I was there, bro.
Clifford Ngobe.
Bayern. I won that stadium. Yeah, I've been there. But it was honoring Mandela because Schumacher was there, you know, they kicked the ball. So it was just for fun.
So Moti, you were hot. The girls were approaching you.
No, not hot. Me shape ball. Like,
I can see obviously I'm if Messi
it was not hot. I mean, I'm not hot.
So how did you get to having a child in Germany and you're married?
Okay, yeah.
waseshawela uthatha wasedlamini umyeke kanjani uye eGermany.
Mama, story sa Clifford, guys. This is not about you.
Eraser respect deal. Scratch.
No.
Wait, let him speak.
So
Second place Clifford.
I think 2010, I met this lady.
Mama Gazuri.
Yeah. Met this lady.
Hey.
We approached her. Yeah, and
Why you approach Shatil?
I'm going there. You know,
Yeah, you must get there. So
when I approached her, I had issues with my marriage, serious issues, serious, and and it's not right. I'm not saying what I did it's right, but we had issues, and I didn't think we will ever make it from what we had, you know. And funny enough, it's not funny, it's serious. They're the same age, my kids, my daughters. Yeah. Same age.
Okay, na hotel na boka.
No, same age. Yeah, it happened. It happened, and I was not myself now. You know, but
yo, everyone, because everyone has skeleton.
as a skeleton, yeah, I stand firm by it. I stand. I have a daughter. She's my daughter.
Would you have,
I love Zuri. I love
would you have
Zuri.
forgiven your wife if she did that to you?
How?
You were honest.
How?
Yeah, I would, but it would be painful, you know.
Do you think you're only saying that because you were in that situation? Like, okay, we are 7
Yeah.
and she's pregnant. You don't have a child, or she doesn't know that you now.
Yeah.
Would you have for real? Like, look at it.
Angithi nami ngizohlala phansi uthi ngiflope kuphi. Ukuthi
No,
azafike lapho.
before you even found out about, before she found out about Uzuri,
Yeah.
know the word baby, we have a serious situation. I'm pregnant. And obviously you've been gone for maybe 2 years.
Yeah, angithi that's why ngithi mina ngizohlala phansi ngibone ukuthi ngiyenze flop kuphi ukuthi azafikelela lapho yena. Ukuthi aze ayothola indoda, you understand?
Awukho, that's the only the valid one is
Yeah,
that
so
you're not
shooting
around.
mina ke angishadanga ke. Ngokuthi angikho ushada ngazi ukuthi ngidlala ibhola. I will travel. So if I reason yakhe le, it means it was a scam.
But would you have forgiven her?
If I'm nearly reason there, I don't think I would have.
Okay.
Guti, I travel, I'm not home.
No, I just mean absence. I mean, Awuko, she's alone. I mean, you can't be expecting her to sit by herself like this for 2 years.
No, but I come home.
Yeah.
Every second week, I'm home. I'm home. And yeah.
Okay, Germany.
Yes. That's far, yes.
Sagas.
Yeah, no, Germany, we dated. And towards my marriage, Ipel. Yeah, but and remember everything. I'm justify. This is me.
Yeah.
Yes, you to explain.
Yeah, everything happened, into zami changing ngesikhathi esincane. Case, now I'm fighting with my wife. You know, now ngapha uzuri, uyangithola. So I think I was in a dark space, and I met this lady. I thought maybe I'll be inhliziyo yabo. Kanti no, I'm wrong. You know, and by then my marriage is already kaput. Yeah, and it's not because of her or me cheating or anything. No, we had issues. Yeah, we had issues nje ezincane is serious, you know. So it happened that way, and separated with my wife. She gave birth. I was there for her, and she tried to lukisa, but I don't think I was ready to try again, you know. And I respect her, and she's the mother of my kids, and yeah. And no mama Zuri distance.
Oh, I love Zuri.
It distance, it don't work.
Yeah,
I don't work. And to show that I was not in a good state. After message him, ngabona ukuthi ngiflopile. Yeah, ngiflopile because I thought so ilungisa and so we managed the distance. No, it don't work.
It won't work.
She even tried I must move to Germany. I said no, I can't leave my kids behind, you know, just because there's a female saying I must come move with her and things will be fine. She found me a team in Austria and all those things. I'm like, nah, it's fine.
Can I ask about the 2 years when you were not, you didn't have a team and not playing? You said you were in a dark space. Yeah. That depression was caused by the blockage?
No. Gotsi, they stole away a 3-year contract, and they stood in front of me and said I terminated the 3-year and I took the 18 months. There's no way.
Oh, so this was the court case?
Yeah, there's no way on earth. There's no way.
You choose 3 months over 3 years?
It's 18 months over 3 years.
Makes no sense.
No sense, but...
How did you deal with your depression?
By myself. I didn't seek for help anyway. I just told myself, you know what, it means it wasn't meant for you. This. Go out there and find another life. You know, it won't be the same, but you're still alive. You live for your kids. Yeah.
So, Gule, 2 years, every day that passes by, you're just like sitting, thinking.
Yeah. For almost 6 months, there was a time in Liam, it was dark. Curtains closed, you know. Bang phone, I don't answer, you know. And I think, Yazi, I've realized that I was depressed when I retired. The day I retired, something came, you know, I cried. I cried. And I called my mom. I was staying in Midrand. I called my mom, like, you know what, you guys want to come when someone is dead. I started yelling at her, you know. I'm like, you never come, just say, I Honza, you know, are you okay? I cried, and she cried as well, you know. Even my sisters, 3 sisters, they cried, and, you know, I think that was me healing. Yeah, so from there, I retired, I'm happy, I have no stress. So obviously, life is not the same, but I'm happy.
How did you treat your depression? Like you went to psychologists?
No.
He didn't. I would not
Oh, you fall
level.
level?
Yeah. He cried.
Oh, you cried?
He cried. I can he's saying Naikwaleti, and then eventually he cried. That's a good boy.
Yeah. We like easy, man. So, Tina's name is Carla. Come let's see.
I told you formula confit.
You'll find it.
Dona with the hate Leonayo for it is kine. Na the hate Leonayo plus nalo muntu block. We advise umntana ukuthi adlale idisk. And if not, why?
Correct. I don't hate football.
Okay.
Football has done a lot for me.
Okay.
It's people in football, not football. Football is different thing.
The way Paul like hitting a corner when.
Abantu. Yeah,
hitting a ball. The way abantu bag hitting a corner ball. Would you advise abantwana bakho ukuthi badlale ibhola?
Okay. My son plays football. He plays for Jowick City.
So wangamvimbi.
I'm there for him.
Okay.
I know everything. I mean, it's just, you know, each generation, my parents, sometimes, nabo bakuling since cut, abakwazi support abaning, you know, but support her from far. So, I mean, I think I will have to be close. But I'm enforced in no ball. You know, nyumbugela, but I never push him, you know. But I'll guide him where he needs help, you know.
Okay.
But if he decides tomorrow he doesn't want to play, it's on him. It's okay. He doesn't have to be a football player.
So angitshele Mpintshi, what advice ne would you give ne intwana lezi zamanje, because kunentwana lezi zamanje ne uyazibona le ntwana zibambe any, do you think would it be a good idea ukuthi bashade early njengawe?
Okay, kuya families, you know, ukuthi ubuya kuphi, you know, kunenye indaba singayikhuluma amajito we-soccer players. We come from abusive families. That's one thing, you know, and we think it's okay what we saw. It's not okay. And umuntu mayesathola imali ahola wenzani? Ufuna ukuzijabulisa ngeindlela avale le void le avale pain angithola problem. But mina advice yami ukuthi whatever works and for these boys. But they must always remember one thing: this football is very short. You can be 17 now, tomorrow you are 20, and then your career is gone because there's injuries, there's a whole lot of things. And in South Africa, we need to protect our players, you know. And fana mahla nomfuking apho I think I'm shy. Yeah, I'm shy because we expect a lot from him, you know, from these boys. So I think now my parents out there, they must take impilo zabantwana babo, like especially footballers, very serious. They must be very close every step, because nama agent akamba man. Let's not forget that. Yeah, abaropa.
Wena bakuropa?
No, I don't think. If unropile, maybe 10 rand.
Okay.
So yeah, I think we need to be close to our kids. And if you says anything, we need to ask. Yeah, don't let your kid drown when how do I do this in fact a team in but 1 2 3 contract so we need to be more educated with that.
Okay, you played in an NFD, ne?
Yeah.
The difference with the EPSL, like in goal, or
You need
like
treatment.
no,
The standard of
like,
play.
Standard of play.
It's
like
yeah, there's a difference.
Like
It's
how?
very fast.
The NFD.
NFD, my man. And they all want promotion, so there's no football. And all, ngathi lapha akunakudla, you know, so they can get promotion and come relax, you know, with PSL.
As you said in football, people ibaba moshipol.
Yeah.
And then NFT, yes, about NFT, like they pay referees, they do what all this.
Bad. Lapha, you play for results and they buy games.
On a man.
Yeah,
Iphi team ongayisho ikhumbula ngiyathenga ukuthi le yayintswe ngokuthenga ama games?
Ngiyezwa. I'm not saying it's not coming from me. What's the English name? The word
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to incriminate myself. Like. HADR. Yeah, they said they can buy.
On a man,
To buy, yes. Ama games.
Hectic.
Hey, Cliff.
Hi.
Stress.
But also, I like the fact that he said even after the 2-year break, he got a team. There's a possibility to come back from what you think is trauma.
Yes.
Yeah. So how was the experience with Black Aces?
Black Aces was wonderful. It was nice. You know those guys, George and then what's the other guy? Whatever. Yeah, but they're good people. Yeah.
Look after you.
Yeah, they looked after us and the team was doing well. It's unfortunate they had to sell the team, but they're business people.
Yeah.
I think they saw the team is big now. They can get a bit of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I recovered well. I played under the late Clive Barker. It was a nice feeling after sitting out.
Do you remember the day when they called you and said, "Sasa uyangena," or the contract is ready, or like after 2 years of sitting at home?
Yeah, I remember. I went to, after training, I was training with them, and they made me train, I think, for a week. And then on Saturday, but my man, we want you. We just want you to see where you are, you know. We want you, but the issue. But go home, we'll call you. The same day, on a Friday. Saturday, I remember, on a Saturday. He gave me a call around 6. He's like, come to the office. I'm like, yo, this guy wants to kill me. You sign contract. I'm like, let me go.
Why?
ngaya hey
Isikhathi bani?
ufuna imali ufuna ukusayina lento before kusasa ba change ingqondo bathi hayi lesingobeni boy must sit
Yeah.
out man, you know. So ngaya ngayisayina mnandi, then started playing again.
From layer depression.
Yo.
Yeah. Clifford, like ngifuna umtshela mfethu wena, would you advise someone if he can go through something like avela khale kuphela or ayenze?
No, we deal with things.
Ke phela Clifford ulile phela abafo. So would you advise umunye umuntu ohlangana into enjalo
Wenzeni,
ukuthi
Clifford?
avela khale nje
Wenzeni,
hey
Clifford?
aphole
Kwenzeni?
vele wakhala waphole. So that's why that's why ngifuna ukubuza mfethu angithi wena
Do you know the feeling you're suicidal mfethu?
Yeah, no, I've
You know it,
I've been through that.
Yeah.
That's why ngibuza ukuthi wena wavele wayila kamnandi nje wavele wazikhalela
Yeah, no.
uyasukile.
Angithi mangihlala endlini I'm dealing with myself. Ngoba lento ibheke mina. I believed ukuthi ifuna mina lento le ngeke ngiye kuBhibo akhulume nami isilungu and then ngibe
But
right.
the professionals bro, they help.
It's okay. I don't think mina bezongisebenzela.
Khona bekufika.
Yeah. Ngoba at the end of the day still bengizobuyela ekhaya ngizibuze why. Why? Bengizibuza why every day until ngabona ukuthi la uNkulunkulu. Shuthi khona into ebezoyenzeka la phambili. Ethi ngiyeke lento, ngishiye njalo, ngicalele kabusha. Whatever that I've lost, it wasn't mine. My things are still coming.
What advice would you give someone who's uthi mfethu for doesn't matter wena like uthi mina ngikazi mina intwana ifike kwethu man hot manazi. I think man ngizwe lapha ku trip and pass you said you were depressed. Yabona. So ungamphe advice ukuthi hey boy yazi yenza kanje. Ungamtshela ukuthini phela uthi ngibuze.
Yeah, you know Amajita, we don't talk. I think nami into engikhawethe mo. I didn't voice out, you know. And I think if it's nalento lo ukuthi mangitshela uBhibo something.
Indaba zamzulu.
Yeah, and then I think so to use sabafazi too much. Mangukutshela uyohlekisa ngami manje. Mase ifika lento ifika times 4. Whereby ihambe times 2, yabo. So I think ifike le. Mara mina I feel ukuthi nomuntu ufila ukuthi uzokuhleka bro. As long uyikhiphe ngomlomo, uyikhiphe ukhulume nomuntu. And sometimes you need to we check abangani. Thina ama soccer players asikwazi uku-identify ukuthi lo umngani lona i-stepson or uyangehlisa. We hold baggage for too long. And then singasadlali khane siyeka sisiblame abantu whereby we are the ones to be blamed as well yabo. So I mean I think kuya ngomuntu ukuthi yena ufila njani ubuya kuphi ekhaya. If une supportive family then mele akhulume nefamily yakhe and phuma kuwe bro la ukuthi uzoba right. If wena usitsheli ngeke ube right. Ngeke.
Yeah, so Clifford sicela usitshele Bijam yini ubhizi ngayo manje?
At the moment kunenye out enokungibiza lapho senze charity work eBidvets. I think I'm more interested giving back yabona nesekasi, you know, into ezinjalo, because I feel like imele sicale manje.
Sharp.
Yeah, ngicale manje ku-mentora lentwana even though nazo zi hard headed ezingabo.
Sharp.
So mara at least we must do it. Noma basitshela nonsense, we must continue to do it, preaching the football work. Yeah.
Lo ngathi uzocoacha la Pirates ungacoach.
I don't think mina umuntu coach ama team. Mina ngcoacha ngifuna coach intwana like
You don't know coach like for like
big teams.
side.
No, kids. I want kids.
Mina, I have a comment. It's not even a question. After the many episodes we've had and seeing the previous footballers, soccer players, I would advise ukuthi bashade early. He looks fresh compared to the some of them that we've seen.
Like who?
And it's something, no. It's something to admire, guys. I personally feel like it is. Like, get married young because there's... No. I'm not even going to go there with you.
I know who you saying.
Okay, you know, I don't know. I'm just saying in general. I'm just praising Clifford because I feel like, I feel like the discipline that he had in getting married early literally helped in how he looks today compared to some of the other footballers that we've seen.
But in marriage, ungadvise abantu ukuthi bashade early and then
No, if you are, I need to see it's a preference. If you want
you must
to.
behave like a married person.
100%.
Yes.
100%. But there's discipline in being married.
Yes, you must say
How
that.
Thank
you. Say it like that.
No matter kuya
Behave
nge-discipline.
in a marriage.
Thathwa kahle kahle uyasaba ukuthi ayanda gaba.
I guess we're not going to each home. I guess have anything in there. I guess have nothing. I'll say my piece and that's it.
Okay, I know.
Don't put words in my mouth.
Tattoos.
Okay bafethu hayi siyabonga bafethu mamelani sithi thank impilo thank imali uvalo dolo lempilo yolo bafethu ngizwile bafethu Clifford athi yena kuze i-depression iphume uze wakhala for manje bafethu awuthi ngidla amalesi bafethu asibonge please don't forget to subscribe asibonge danko
Thank you.
Thank you.